Good morning everyone. My name is Ambika. My father name is Vijay Kumar. He is farmer. My mother name is Kavita. She is a homemaker. And I have completed second PUC. Now I am doing BA first sem. I have two brothers. I have two sisters. I am from Hannakiranki. That's all. I would like to tell about safe environment. All environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, and air. Animal and plants are also the parts of our environment. Fresh air, pure water, fertile soil, clean surrounding are the signs of good and healthy environment. But day by day, environment is getting affected adversely due to problems like pollution of air, water, and soil. Deforestation is also the major cause because of which environment is in danger. Necessary steps should be taken by all of you so that environment can be saved. We need to plant more trees so that air quality improves. So use of plastic should be managed both prepare and plastic should be strictly declared. We all should management of the environment clean. There should be ban on taking industrially waste water into the oceans. All such steps will be helpful of safe environment. Lots of animals and trees are getting extinct due to depressions and including human population. We all need to pay attention in this declaration and take necessary actions. Saving our environment is in our hands and it is only published of each and every one of use take the responsibility of it. In days time saving environment has become a necessity for existence of we humans. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Savita. My father name is Chandrakant. He is a farmer. My mother name is Lakshmi. She is a homemaker. I am from Hannakiranki. I have completed the second PUC. Now I am doing degree first year. I have one sister and two brothers. My hobbies are reading and writing. That's all about myself. Thank you so much. I would like to tell about Indian agriculture. The future of Indian agriculture. There is a need for work on cost-effective technologies with environmental protection and on conserving our natural resources. Agriculture in India is a livelihood for a majority of the population and can never be underestimated. Although its contribution in the gross domestic product (GDP) has reduced to less than 20% and contribution of other sector increased at a faster rate. Agricultural production has grown. This has made us self-sufficient and taken us from being a living bowl for food after independence to a net exporter of agriculture and allied products. Total food grain production in the county is estimated to be a record 291.95 estimates of Indian Council for Agriculture Research (ICAR) demand for food grain would increase to 345 million tons by 2030. Increasing population, increasing average income and globalization effects in India will increase the demand for a quantity and nutritious food and variety of food. Therefore, pressure on discovering available quantitative land to produce more quantity, variety and quality of food will keep on increase.
My mother name is Nagama. My father is a farmer. My mother is homemaker. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. My hobbies are reading, writing, and listening a song. I have completed 12th PUC, and at present I am studying engineering final year. I want to become software engineer. It's all about myself. I am like to tell about environment. Environment is a source of life. It determines and directs our growth and development. The environment is very important for our healthy life. Human being depends for water, shelter, food, various other things on the environment that surrounding us. The good or bad quality of our life is depending on the quality of our natural environment. Water, soil, air and animals are part of the humans are destroying it, cutting trees, polluting the environment. Humans are overusing resources. We need to save our environment, plant trees. We must reduce and increase.
My father name is Shankarishka, my mother name is Manda, my father is private company worker, my mother is housewife. I have one younger sister. She is studying in 6th standard. My hobby is reading, writing, etc. My aim is to become a CID officer. That's all about myself. Today I would like to tell about agriculture of India. If you have had your meal today, then it goes without saying, but thank a farmer. We can live without a driver or carpenter or film hero or singer. But can you live without a farmer? Can we even important of live without food? Food is as important as oxygen and water. Will oxygen and water are produced by our inhalation. God's food is produced by our living God, the farmer of India. But why is farmer pollute, especially in a developed country? India is in such bad shape. What are we not doing that other developed country are doing to their farmers community? Have we neglected the importance of agriculture in India?
My father name is Shinane. He is the assistant professor. My mother name is Anita. She is a homemaker. I have completed 5th standard. I am studying in 6th standard. My hobbies is reading, writing, cooking, playing, etc. That's all about myself. Thank you so much. I would like to tell about environment. Everything around is our environment. Living beings and non-living things are environment. Water, soil, air and animals are part of the human environment. Humans are destroying it. Humans are cutting trees.
everyone. I am Hadishri. My father name is Jagappa. He is a farmer. My mother name is Pujamma. She is a homemaker. I am from Nagai. I have two sisters, no brothers. I have completed diploma first year. Now I am doing diploma second year. My hobbies are reading, writing, playing. My aim is to become software engineer. That's all about myself. Thank you so much. I would like to tell about agriculture in India. Agriculture is the backbone sector of the Indian economy and also to made a period of time. It has developed a lot. More than 50% of India's population is dependent on agriculture. India is the second largest producer of wheat and paddy in the world. A few decades ago, people used to do farming using ancient tools, but now after the Green Revolution